Dear children, yesterday I was taught you geography lesson second, categorization of species के बारे में पढ़ाया था. Now look at the page number 186, depletion of flora and fauna. Depletion of flora and fauna. Humans' responsibility. Humans are themselves responsible for depletion of their forest and wildlife. They drain out nature for obtaining resources directly and indirectly from the forests like wood, leaves, rubber, medicine, dyes, food, fuel, fodder, manure, etc. and wildlife. Factors responsible for depletion of forest and wildlife. Following are main factors which are responsible for depletion of forest and wildlife. Depletion during colonial period. During colonial period, there was expansion of railway network, agriculture, commercial and scientific forestry and mining activities. This caused a great damage to Indian forest. Second, agricultural expansion. The agricultural expansion continues to be one of the major causes of depletion between 1951 and 1980. According to the Forest Survey of India, over 20,200 square kilometers of forest areas were converted into agricultural lands all over India. Substantial parts of the tribal belts, especially in the northeastern and central India, have been deforested or degraded by shifting cultivation. Shifting cultivation को झूम एग्रीकल्चर भी कहते हैं, झूमिंग या झूम शब्द. It is a type of slash and burn agriculture. A large part of the tribal belts of northeastern and central India have been deforested by this type of agriculture. Large-scale development project. Since 1951, over 5,000 square kilometers of forest had been cleared for River Valley project, that is Narmada Sagar project, in Madhya Pradesh has protected 40,000 hectares of forest. Mining. Mining operation need big machines, labor, roads, railways, etc. All of these lead to deforestation. The Buxar Tiger Reserve in West Bengal is seriously threatened due to mining operation. The mining operations have caused severe ecological damage to the reserve and region around. The mining activities have blocked the migration route of the several species, including the great Indian elephants. Thus, these activities have disturbed their natural habitat. Factor declining Indian biodiversity. Habitat destruction, hunting, poaching, overexploitation, environmental pollution, poisoning and forest fires are the factors responsible for declining of India's biodiversity. Grazing and fuel food collection. Many forests and environmentalists hold the grazing and fuel food collection are the greatest degrading forest behind the depletion of forest resources. Rapidly expanding industrial urban economy, increasing consumption of forest waste produce such as rubber, medicine, dyes, fuel, food has increased the depletion of the forest resources. Overpopulation in the third world countries. Overpopulation is often cited as the cause of environmental degradation. However, an average American consumes 40 times more resources than an average Somalian. Similarly, 5% richest Indians cause more ecological damage than poorest 25%. Social factor: unequal access, inequitable consumption of resources, and different sharing of responsibility for environmental well-being are important causes of environmental destruction. The destruction of forest and its impact on cultural diversity. The loss of forest and wildlife is not only a biological issue, but it is also correlated with the cultural diversity. Many forest-dependent communities directly depend on various depends of the forest and wildlife for food, drink, medicines, etc. Many of tribal communities like Muria, Gons, Dhruvaj, Bhatraj, etc. have lost their habitat because of destruction of forest. Even among the poor and women are affected more than men. These are many reasons for it. In many societies, women bear the major responsibility of collection of fuel, food, water, and other basic needs. As these resources have been depleted, the drudgery of women increases. Most of the time they have to walk for more than 10 kilometers to collect the basic necessities. This extra walking about causes serious health problems for women and negligence of home and children because of the increased hours of work, which often has serious social implication. Deforestation has led to the adverse effect as under poverty, drought, or floods. Deforestation is responsible for poverty. Poverty is considered the direct outcome of environmental destruction. Most of poor people are rural. People depend on the forest for their basic needs. Now, in case the forests are destroyed, these poor people will be deprived of the basic necessities. Drought. Deforestation leads to drought because forests help in rainfall. Floods. Deforestation also includes floods. The region is vegetation has the ability to check the speed of water, but the deforestation sweeps away the vegetation. Both floods and drought are considered major factors responsible for poverty. The Himalayan you in trouble. The Himalayan you Texas वाले चाहिए ना China is a medicine plant. It is found in various parts of the Himachal Pradesh and Arunachal Pradesh. A chemical compound called taxol is extracted from the bark, needles, trunks and roots of this tree. It has been successfully used for the treatment of some cancers. The drug is now its biggest selling anti-cancer drug in the world. The species is under great threat due to overexploitation. In the last one decade, thousands of young trees have dried up in various parts of Himachal Pradesh and Arunachal Pradesh. Now, conservation of forest and wildlife in India. Next day.